Hello, students. Today, we are going to learn about sealants and packings, their types, applications, and how they prevent leakage in machinery like pumps, compressors, and valves. We will cover basic distinctions, the function of seals, classification, and the key types, including gaskets, packings, mechanical seals, and others. Let's start with the basic distinctions. All seals fall under two main categories: gaskets and packings. Their primary purpose is to prevent leakage past moving components, whether rotating or linear, and stationary parts in pumps, compressors, valves, and other equipment. We classify seals as gaskets and packings. Gaskets are static seals. Packings are dynamic seals, which include packing glands, lip seals, O-rings, and mechanical seals. It's important to note that gaskets are not packings, but both are types of seals. In other words, packings are a subset of seals. Seals serve two main functions: prevent external leakage, which keeps the fluid contained within the system and prevents foreign matter from entering. Prevent or control internal leakage, as sometimes small internal leakage is desired, especially in hydraulic and pneumatic systems, to provide lubrication to moving parts. Remember, leakage affects efficiency, but controlled internal leakage can actually be beneficial. Sealing can be classified into two main types: static and dynamic seals. Static seals are used where two or more stationary components need to be sealed. They are also called gaskets. Non-metallic gaskets include O-rings, square rings, paper gaskets, rubber gaskets, and liquid sealant types. They are mainly used for flexible sealing and filling gaps between surfaces. Metallic gaskets include metallic O-rings, flat metal gaskets, and rubber-coated metal gaskets. These are used where high pressure or temperature requires a rigid and durable seal. Dynamic seals are used where there is motion between components, such as rotating shafts, piston rods, or moving machinery parts. These seals accommodate movement while preventing leakage. Dynamic seals are further classified into contacting and non-contacting. Contacting seals include mold packing, includes O-rings, D-rings, etc. Oil seals prevent leakage of lubricants and fluids in rotating machinery. Mechanical seals, high-precision seals for pumps and compressors. Gland packings, traditional packing materials for shafts. Other seals like diaphragms, bellows, and specialized seals. Non-contacting seals include magnetic fluid seals, which use magnetic fluids to seal rotating parts without contact. Labyrinth seals, which provide a complex path to reduce leakage in high-speed machinery. Static seals are stationary and sit between mating surfaces. Their role is to compensate for surface imperfections by filling gaps. They must be tightly bolted or clamped to function effectively. Materials used are paper, rubber, silicone, metal, cork, felt, and chemical-resistant polymers. Dynamic seals are designed to contain fluid in systems with moving components, like rotating shafts or linear pistons. Key qualities include ability to contain fluid under pressure, compatibility with fluid to maintain integrity, wear resistance for long life, strength to resist extrusion under pressure and temperature, stability to resist twisting and deformation, economic balance between performance and cost. But it has some trade-offs. At high load, provide better sealing, but higher friction and wear. At low load, provide longer life, but more leakage. Gland packing is a braided rope-like material stuffed around the shaft. It seals by expanding radially when compressed axially. Its features are: it provides necessary leakage for lubrication. It is used for valve stem sealing, gate, globe, ball valves. It is low-cost and adaptable to various fluids and conditions. Mechanical seals control leakage more effectively than gland packing. Advantages of it are lower maintenance and downtime, clean and hazard-free operation, higher initial cost but more economical in the long run. O-rings and lip seals. Lip seals are used for high-speed, low-pressure shafts. A spring maintains contact with the shaft and compensates for wear. Labyrinth seals. used in turbine and turbocharger shafts. Sealing is achieved by the fluid itself, such as exhaust gas or steam. So, gaskets are static seals for stationary components, whereas packings and dynamic seals handle moving parts. Proper selection of seal material and type ensures leak prevention, efficient operation, and long service life. Thank you listening. Have a great day ahead.